Authentic Mama, the 103.1.
Hi guys, my name is Joseph Mello and I'm listening to
Okay, novi todo lava va me do fiena mi la fisia fie kenele afilen konya sem top 103.1 FM FM kosem el todo lava va Abalekenya egdenye 11th of April 2026 bonsoir bon arrivée tout le monde Mikatam Yahweh Sofiena mi gana to call Fiena mi nya pe todo lao apek plek besia Ejojinambe kako radio that the top radio Papa Laoji 103.1 FM ya be ya do to junenyo bobo plenya jojo now Nyele transmitting live to 40B Royal Castle Daji Accra Kokomlemle Nyele live across the world and your social handles so kata Miawe so mi yom ya Naomi na wanye be authentic mama junenyo bobo show Nyele live like top radio Papa Laoji top media like Facebook top radio Top FM online on YouTube. Top Radio 103.1 FM. Like TikTok. Authentic Mama fan page. On Facebook. Sienna YouTube page. Sienna Facebook page. All in North America. Let the president of Kenelemian Cosemtia. Nearly clear life, Lafima. Me up a website and Hamile Live Lafima. Yahweh so todo laoga and a minute blanc at Tonvo and ye. Ne egbe egbieme me konye de wa mi kwanam nene egbe wo dollar weekend abeleke mi nya be Easter emi edu. Last week by this Sankata Top Media Group nye no abutia pota eye nye call 2026 Easter wana over na mi live show noka abutia le ho West constituency me bobo kram ye no match of Friday back at Tuesday after me bova again to ya me ye be me ko Olumambugi wana o have na mi live show abutia agove last week Sunday Istanami egbepe meva moji elabe 2 weeks soya melota chamle amonu tome Blemia novi siana to elabe siana pe delegation le Ghana to koyame ope president former president to katan le to koyame ope executive so katan le to koyame eye mi no chamle amonu tome let maglobe Kosra eveyo alotonyo ba yikata mieno amonu tuame eye mieva no commission project yo miano vio nye evyo pe habobol America to come Royal Bay Council of Every Association America to come to school hall library a clinic pletona miano vio la amonu tuame o wona pesia pe ata pe ya me ha eyo kawa epeya ma over do Ghana le match ben kekiaro me eye mi no vote no to me no chacham no commissioner lo mi ko edo yo wa alo ko yo to a mi ko la sidana to call alo community yo wono ana eyata authentic men no mo tina mi lo me ko wona ave na mi life to tapesi atape ke men no ya akegbe amele mi ato me fie after Isaiah eyata Easter na mi nya to mi we do Easter lo ma fa men ve we benye kplo mi la gbe fe ya katumi mi do Easter ya amenu ve so onye amegende ado meli o ti be wa po Africa ke a kafra ole yo dome menye mi apenyo ade ke yo amenu ve so ta ko emi o mi le ye mi po ya ta ne po akokpo jijo na twase ye na dakpedeta a ways of art to nenyo bobo plenya jojo na oji egbe mi eje wona gometo ganne na mi ye po me ponu kaka e rason kuma pona mi wana vai keye ya de ma ponu me do chato hede na mi to lava va o gaton tututu ele authentic mama play to nenyo bobo show pen ko same live show for te biro ya kasero da ji egba me pepe toke adele mi atome eye enyati ke unti mi aponu to ha enyati eku aloka o ekanye ha betume view ene ela be mi katanti ma enu ma he blog mi egboa o ha ekao enye ha eka mi ezane yo katanyi eye taketo na yo view wintonton yo no view katana na wanye be amesa me petona no mi unti fien ya amepepe toke dele edua me eye wa pede mi unti Mikata mia lenkude enya mounti matiti ma de afiame kedon kutibe mi le live le authentic mama fan page ati le Facebook mi le Top FM online on YouTube Top Media le Facebook page ati mi le live le Siana YouTube page Siana Facebook page all in North America Eyata mesia mekele miakpom afisi afike alo handle kejule miakpom chia ejojinam wezo alo mia wezo mekawe hefe de wonata sponsors wenye thanks to you computer clinic to yo wenye ameyo hefe de junenyo bobo wonata best sponsors wene thanks to you computer clinic ameba makafu now Nanya nukata o glo alo yonko okonko mana clinic ma be thanks to you computer clinic mana na nye pede kwenye be amesia meke ina clinic ma glomela nena yike gwa dokona ayo doctor adakpene elabena ewona do alegbegbe afima nena ya bakpo doctor menye be na globe etaleve domeleve ko akwa tikede ko na obe na ba try ko be na wo dozo awo me wona afima ene clinic wona la fima nyebe ozana machines ado computer kleto do yo kokpona olame akpobe nu ike glom nele de nyata pe enu mai le fuda alo nububu ade le fuda na wo eyata o meyi na thanks to you computer clinic togboko aglobe ta ko ko tave match now wa do pon akpenya tepe to ebe enyo enu mai le fuda na otutu ye na glom alo ya nele suspecting be le fuda ne machine e detect be o menye ta level enu ya bo ngbo cho e ya tanu ya le wala ekema wa dado mana classique toke eke na kpo haya o dado abe infertility prostate diabetes stroke gonorrhea asthma typhoid stomach ulcer o da na white insomnia sickle cell o na severe headache hepatitis B C ekletoyokata o one eya tanene nyama de evimajimaji alo efudodo kafra lo le fude na wa kuki ade le unti onene ado thanks to you computer clinic togbo ncho prostate le fude na wa alo diabetes le fude na ma de gbagbadoya egbachi tepedeka esro view amade mekachijo fudu na do thanks to you computer clinic ame yo asthma le fudena le gbegbe alo typhoid fever alo domeve atradi toma me de koko yi thanks to you computer clinic togbo nene nye nyonu he all day po le fudena o ya be white le fudena o alo madoye alo sickle cell le unti wa etave atradi toma ya me kafri na be do thanks to you computer clinic Fika na locate you where can you locate them? They are located at Kweno near Suhum on Asamankese Road. Contact doctor on 0545 252 880. Madakuku thanks to you computer clinic. Doctor, if a beton haonye, esefegbe, eye nene dopegbe ne asenyame na chito. Madakuku, your doctor, nena phone play le 0545 252 880. Let me repeat once again 0545 252 880. Allo 020 59 61 109 020 596 1109 020 596 1109. Novi nanye beta meleve o hado kafra diabetes mele wo hado prostate mele wo hado wa novi ade ehon ade tanglo no badi ne na ne yona mema ne wadota afima in case eno maba joda madeji yo wenye thanks to you computer clinic to mele kafuna ofia Okay, mana na nye ha be togbe dahomecho Agbenyega Herbal Center. Agbenyega Herbal Center. Agbenyega Herbal Center. Yo menya meye ye onyo na ode elabe ese obo nkole program yaji menye egba locho ole ekplemi etefe didi. Agbenyega Herbal Center no vito dola mebeba kafina. Makafu Agbenyega Herbal Center now. You when you ameyu ne bogbomedo konwo na lafima bogbomedo ejagbagba winto ne pebe edo ekelem nela menye wuti la mepe doyo edoma edekoji ede Herbal Center vovovo kake still edo kalea mana na nyebe bakpogbo obe gbogbomedo do mahin ya eyata na spiritual issues so lafima elabo believe in African religion lafima alegbegbe eyata Agbenyega Herbal Center eyanye togbe dahome ebede spiritual marriage infertility diabetes sugar domalo sneezing hernia liver issues so eye issues so kaka a lot of ache high blood pressure low sperm count enlargement of penis tiredness or fatigue, barren women, malaria fever, typhoid fever, manpower, sexual weaknesses, impotency, premature ejaculation, stroke, rheumatism, pearl or cocoa, fibroid, gono, ekaele fudenao, ebe magblono abe. Alo menstrual pain, yeah. Agbenyega Herbal Center be yo wo mutila medoyo kata megbla yo wo ne kakia vevie tonye gbogbo medo nyame yo enu ka spiritual marriage le fudena nyame yo miatom ye kwe nu ike le fude gbogbo medo ya alone le dodie ta fe dide wo kakakaka aode amese me yo ho kake wo ya aode be bakwa da be nu kata to le nene Agbenyega Herbal Center na le nungwa coastal kovu na globe ya dide nungwa na dide coastal ene dida fuma kuna yacht Dr. Alotogbe le 0591 826800 0591 826800 Makayo noba ke Agbenyega Herbal Center Togbe Dahome pe noba nye 0591 826 800 0591 826 800 0591 826 800 Obe back to sender. Oh, ne la fama alegbegbe any sort of spiritual fed dolele desi ada obe yo wonele afuma eyatane ne tigbogbo me fed do dada vevieto alo unti la meto yo kata megbla typhoid fever koko plen kudo pleto yo bagbado nchupe nka premature ejaculation pleto yo wa na Dr. Agbenyega Herbal Center ole nungwa coastal do coastal la fuma kuna yo ekemana po togbe afonu plu meji di kra la fima okay for them one ata be one le fiato jaje gato okay to the lava found akpenami wana lego mejeya gato minute we Dake 5:11 p.m. Top 103.1 FM. Authentic Mama Play Dunenyo Bobobo Show. Eya fe nko semnele live ke medekuku ameyo le nyakpom le social media okatan le Facebook le YouTube le TikTok le towa share the video, share the links to your friends, invite them. Be yo hanwa kpo now. Nyanovi America to call Canada to yo le nyakpom ye dakpenami. We share links and I'm Yanovio, I invite to be Amesia Menano emoji plemi Todola Vavao, Kemana na nyebe, I make him ya for nupli egg befia, and ye a metohia demia tomia vi mia fo, ble mia novi, elemia domegbe, bemia lenkude, and ya gan kele jojom le du come, mia kyle jojo, mia le contomia sebe, olegbo globe, evoade. A particular type of a vehicle like Ghana to come National Road Safety Commission tobe yo le evoma band yo le etobe makawodo long journey le Ghana abe akob amecho egebe in atakradi alovota alofia obe ao makawodo mapuku atenwa wodo la kra nto meko alo le akra nto meko la lo kuma se finyo la fumako le town rad ni mapuko atenwa wo kake long distance travel ya obe Toyota Vozi meya obe ya National Road Safety Commission tobe yole ban no katabe yole ban ata na keto asenyada wo hana ne ko susu blo ade agblo na senu eketa obe yole ban le discussion ama ekema hana ado susu agblo abedimevin wonu tepe edo vumakwa ene do ekpode experience ka ene get alone have leme allo ele novio adesi efo adesi okole dowa nukata obele ban eya tututu na keto na seda amade kemika va se achina o able o medekuku keto na seda egba meke na no mia do malo le mia do me akpede mia o discussion ma o ye ba peto Raymond enkoma awiaga Okay, Raymond Awiaga, enye freelance journalist, abe enye journalist, abe nye klo leke menye journalist, hanye journalist nene eyo kanye content creator, create na content le social media plateau, enye meke le de come eyo nyanu cho vuma puko venyao edone. Ekpone leko wona nu plateau egba miebe mia len kodonpo akpobe nukatutu tae National Road Safety Commission tobe yo le voafe long distance journey ban le Ghana. Ole wonyo de nyam yo blood enyo alo menyo kleto okatana semenyao nyato share the links to your friends. Akpena mi vavala okata live on Authentic Mama Fan page. We are clear and live. Siana YouTube page, Siana Facebook page, Top Media on Facebook, Top FM Online on YouTube, Top Radio 103.1 FM on TikTok, all the social handles. We are live. Miaweso, miato, agbaja, powerful one ya, makochome.
Yeswa, basa saonya babu sama tengwa bolo. Novyo nye Yesu, basa saonya babu sama tengwa bolo. Awo apusanu viola blanilo. Novyo apusanu viola blanilo. Awo nye Yeswa, pasasa onye babu sama temwa tolo. Nye Yeswa, pasasa onye babu sama temwa tolo.
the deal now me Ghana to call Makomon Papaya Mato happy birthday now on the Cavado. I'm Messia make a wotile April ma Miene a medodio a mevavao ela bet niato mienya Christmas view Easter view a mevavao mienya authentic mama hanye to hanye pe birthday April born menya abaleke mienya mi one nika go do vie eyata on the mienya ye pe birthday ano chile April 22nd VDJ menya eyata ye menye ametohe amesame ko chile premier mebe happy birthday to you all. Agbede dila mese abokadrika. May you celebrate oboto ba ihoho. Elabe from 1st of April to Egbe 11th. Amesia mekele ducho 1st back 11th. Mebe happy birthday to you all. Especially Mado happy birthday na no to de kavade. Efo kofi kum mayone. Efo kofi enye Okay, mate, but my get a foco fee full name, Kakemi Menyane be foco fee mechanic le Ashaman just adjacent to MTN Ashaman le washing bay la fima one I will pay under Alabeg Melepe and Kofu MT Ella Benya mechanic. Happy birthday to you, belated birthday. Friday born my brother Easter Friday video nye birthday last week Friday. Happy belated birthday to you. Efo kofi kumayone. Happy belated birthday to you. Last Friday happens to be your birthday. Good Friday video. Happy birthday to you. Agbede de la mesemebia. Dona yijinwe ganava. Mayijina maglobe Makaduna ametohade edu birthday ekenye on the 8th. Apeto wisdom mensa paku aka for white. LA community 25 tema. Happy birthday. Yes, see you na Wisbeck Oil Enterprise. Wisbeck Enterprise. Lepon Katamansu. Happy belated birthday to you. Forward by the Dilamese Abokadreka. Now how birthday we manti ya ke mana do text or WhatsApp down 0244 0244 066752 na mahale now ado ma adakpena maude opak beta 0244 066752. If today happens to be your birthday or you are born in April, ekema do wo message da na mahle madda akpena maude wak beta na mado happy birthday now 0244 066752. Novi Torola Vavao, Akpena me, Mia Ijik Bedeko, Egbemidu Mia Dronya me, Mia Drome Kabaha, Namana Omon Popo Subo, Benatawa Bia Babia, Ohana Dosu Sublocho Nyatia, Yatamedo Tafla Cello, Mikokem, Ne Eha, me Ijik too much, you are Mekachijo, Nyaponucho, and Yavivia de Unti, and la Ben newspaper headline segment, Le New Jolagana to come peta cacao. Mako avenao miele a miesebe nchokwa enyade no didi vivi le du come no vitodola Toyota Vosi has been banned from commercial transport in Ghana due to safety concerns. The National Road Safety Authority NRSA found that these vehicles originally are designed for family use on paved roads are being converted from right-hand drive to left-hand drive and used for commercial purposes in Ghana. The conversions often done by unlicensed operators involve changes to suspension systems and tires, increasing the risk of mechanical failure and accident. National Road Safety Commission toko enyade dogo o dogo benuka obe evuada legana to come oyobe Toyota Vosi enye evu piade popular nene kwenyakpo lefe neshaya enyakpo eye amodone alegbegbe nyentokra medokpo ko yi takra dipleto uba kwejesibe evuma National Road Safety Commission to legblolo obe evua yova dejesibe melebe wa no dowo abe commercial car leganal abe ako amocho gembe yikomasi ako amocho komasi be kogbo gen alovota ayi long distance obe omenye sigbo lebe wa no elebe evuma omewe na passenger car owebe wanye eweke ako family ewo place no kle vie komie na fide komia ko yifa gba obe sigbo wo bumana ake Ghana to valeza ko le amoku ko yile tape didi oyi eye enu ikova kpojesi nyebe ele involving in accident too many times like a lot too often ela megbeto wu le Ghana alegbegbe eye ata National Road Safety toba kpebe epuma originally omewe na passenger car family car ko nye apart from that evua owe right hand mesigba right hand menye ome drive na right hand le Ghana left drive emye wona le Ghana evwa owe de right eyata na me yo le import eva Ghana no ko eva Ghana emi over change cover left nyato mienya na yo voke wonu de fe susu nunu a ameibo menyimye we wo matan we wa de tu eyata kuhia do anu nyatepe we tokpo wo phone na o la sio kaka no glan na ne ko repair we tokpo da oh, we make them pepe. Back. How much more be evu? If you be okpejesi be nyan pie Ghana mechanics o la agbaje ya o menu be la agbaje o la agbaje kake o ma te won we aba make wo bu atutu e we be kuhiado over now effectai evu affectai so ha o be le so kake Ghana todo over change na ko gando ko dedo me mi atomi nya economic issues ota emi obe no le du na lema efu na do abe plane ne efe break lele kra ezu ado ewebe ebale accident po le du come elabe amegedo ko le commercial transport wo to fi ko itakra di kon komasi pletoyo o le san le gbegbe eye wo le involving in accident eya tamia to ameyo le National Road Safety Commission over kwebe ayoma doto amegbetona no kuku kakaka sigbo la bo ba kwebe last year me yoku amegbo figa na migbe esugbo over kunuma kwebe ebuya is one of the factors ele accident covered come eyata obe yole banned from working as commercial car in Ghana atan dole enter nya pesiti o akomeko iseko agbo akoyi Accra fimi agbo ka kebe wakoyi Kumasi wakoyi Volta wakoyi Takra declator wa obe out. It can never happen again. Owners of those cars over lejikupo odo wuli pleto egba mepepele mi ajiripo National Road Safety to emele nu onyodo lo alo ebu flelawe efo Raymond elemia dome eyanto adedo Christian nye eyemia yiwona ji medota flachelo nyato mafu hanami bobobo egbona kakemi dro nyamegba ne nyapoda agbefenya glomile agbekple kufenya glomile yata mina ne bevie dodo hia fo mewowo mele fo Raymond wezolo
yo
apemeto efonweda ejojo na mi be elemia domefia yin ya esien konya esien konya akeme va mi adome pomesi ba egbe ya neva okay ejojo na mto de do Christian covetede fika necho me fika tukamecho la monuto me kleto yo
so nkonya Raymond Awiaga
okay
many freelance and journalist like GTV.
Okay.
Most of your stories la me show na le GTV.
GTV. Okay.
Okay, me show Nkwanta.
Oh,
mother family kumia edaocho adidome.
Okay.
Ta bo me de school AME Zion Primary level.
Okay.
Like me la me vai Nkwanta ba de school
But the school video.
me vai am KJV ba
Okay.
de am secondary school le KJV.
Après bado tagge.
Afi me va GIJ.
Okay.
Ba de school le GIJ. Tazon la many freelance
Journalist.
as well as a content creator.
Look at when creating a content ka kuku when.
Me create na content on I'm social development.
Okay.
Allo I'm social issues.
Okay.
Probably Ghana today. Probably politics la ye drive na most of the conversation. The media system. Na me deva wonade abe over to suku na the view allo issue le chimele ke kopede mon over when awala. Media la me highlight na on issue. Me feel bela over watching na me de look on ya. These are basic issues on your media la ne focus on because the media is a development agenda drive.
Yes.
Ta e je mi azana pe platform. Akohe amope am susu. Na
Avano.
do amu yo le fupelo ta no kami atan wo. Me na mi highlight issue ade. Ne amema wo atan wa pere wonti la wo yi aba kwere wonti. Ta zigere yenye me pe ta yenye pe areas of content
trying to highlight some stories okay I'm omenya alo meseni o mesiba to the people. Okay akpe no vitro la ogaton minute blanc et tonvo at the 536 top 103.1 FM tunenyo bobobo show nanya in case if you have to tune in a top radio papa la original nyele transmitting live so 40 biro ya kasero daji nyele live le Top Media, Facebook, Top Media, Facebook, me afuma, Top FM online on YouTube. If man follow me, then I call na okata Top Radio 103.1 FM on TikTok. Me afuma Sienna YouTube page in America, Sienna Facebook page in America. Okata le miakpom, ole miakosem, Authentic Mama Fan page. Akpe nyele Facebook, ole miakpom. Then never page ajia na po ebuyo glomie lebe Toyota Vosimawa wole page ya oji anu po ne nyele no apoko anu shiko na anu po ebuya puku glomie la alo glomo la be wa ban pe commercial driving na eya glomie le efo Raymond eya pen koma senele eya ina akademia onfien ya be mi adronya come mucho eweto ese directive ade and say they what did you feel?
Well, because eno nyebere nano le Ghana la me kona nando one serious
Okay.
Esole gake esola o lagbaneme
Okay.
gake me implementation la yenyenya
Okay.
because in your because you pay dollar in your mezana evo zigede in attack radio.
That's some more playful.
That on the time experience Voxico.
Okay.
Like your experience tovu wo ameroto.
Okay.
Amero experience la ele bad. Like ameroto la ele bad like carry me. Ameroto ha la menu crowd.
Raise any
on the 3rd of March. The Kumele go Mazomo Maiko for you.
Miato Madekumebo, and then social media, Miape authentic mama fan page, and Akpo, if we have Fuku Blomila, Aquela Fima, Akpo for Raymond Han, touch la Fima, that if we all have a van Akpo, if we two blow, Lemania Messia Menia Vumo, Dalmenia Vuka Blolo, and if Afmako Akpo the type. Okay, Yaiji.
On the 3rd, Yambo, Mazomo Maiko for you. Mother survey areas, Namako,
historical,
Maton, Awo.
Okay.
Tanti mama wo me barber shop va kota kura o fine wo yi mava ta me Madina because atanza ebri akoyi ko fredi ya atanza nsawo ha akoyi ko fredi ta go mazan ebri ta me Madina va do
ebri
ta cho ebri Madina koyi la na exam ebri mo la almost probably la 2 hours la aton
adoko fredi okay
ta ne kwa nye number 1 seat number 1 and gbanto
kedo Vozima okay
ta yenye pesi gbanto
okay from Medina to Kofridia okay
ta me je mo gome o ni sia de leji smooth ta me le la mi va do Methodist girls manfi
okay
ta mi ko be la weather tro ta chile ya javire me be esen alo light one time after Methodist ko fi la etoji Tami wa do wa mi kopede me before me ado kopela we na be
voice na sembi
mampon kwanta
mampon yeah
mampon kwanta still ado ko va lock
lock
do ko va lock
all of a sudden
go drive out
like
try because one many be less speed top speed crag because at 80 kilometers
okay
speedometer la 80
okay
ta many ma be de over speed you know
okay
that still ado ko va lock
as me le modi still ya lock
ko wodo ko tro ta woman in a street la zone megbere ye vale yi na eva trova megbe bon va yi na ko fredia instead of the street
nkwama
ko mileji yesu ko wodo ko va gere agblere me ami koko
blede
ta me be light pole there e vede o le fimede ye wo ba
ballo
ya o stop Tana menye light po matare
anyim you get it to me cry
me agera gble am koko gble ma me ta agame kra ta America kra ma nya bere
na dejo
na le kra jo ta ko piti me ako ta ma kwa me no veve ye deni ye gbe a nya ha me le feel
la gbe
nya agbe ta from that experience la me ba ngolo article there on Voxy
okay
nya me share your experience
okay
ta amaro fibela Even Agblame because all investment the FMA that we do Agblame of daughter. Many more. Because never read about you see one thing Bella me say no Voxy Penya if accident pokpo ko foridia in sao massive clinical ne no me geology wo de manya o me efi Bella o menya na de ko ka e kawolo ka ke o menya gbenegbe
wow, na what you
that for your experience la ya me do must start read about Voxy
okay
because me give me create content
on Voxy ka
ta your research me la me was nyabe company de Japan because Japan to pe we
okay
company fen kwenye Toyota Chucho no corporation yo wona evuma
okay
ta for Japan la o fe still la ele right
side
ele left
okay
you wo na family taba me de pre estro play view let me na see me na ton do na ton mi na do me ta just for intracity
okay
ta abenele gen la aton nos info
to fi ko circle so ko ya crash central mawagbo
ata abel nele hola aton ko yi
open
nenema yake amrova import evo
cover Ghana
ta over ko over Ghana la over do listia
cover left Wapestia made purposely for right driving
over dolly cover left.
Okay.
Here over the no hala. A couple Ghana the company that can make official company that can make you one at Doma.
Okay.
Tanova Plevola Abusokai.
So
Okoyina. You
what trasilong kakaka va cover left.
Ejemo cover the emoji ejedo.
I see.
For company Bella
Mm.
women endorse na be no do listia.
Cover left
Cover
so.
left. Because Okrala we na Japanese market.
Okay.
Many be any other market.
Country book do how.
Japan market we.
Okay.
Yeah, work right probably no read about the history of those cars la.
Mm.
Many a year.
Okay. Ele go. Let's say 2001.
2000 probably if we know when it is models.
Yeah.
Allow generations.
Mm.
The first generation la
Mm.
start to 2001 versus 2007.
Okay.
You are first generation.
Okay.
Your second generation la over 2007 la versus 2014.
Okay. Any Toyota Vozia
Toyota
or Bromile. Okay.
You are third generation.
Mm.
2015 versus 2021.
Mm.
You got our fourth generation. 2021.
Mm. Obe open voice na vachi.
2022 versus Regbe. Taugalewo.
Okay.
For Ghana, the over na Ghana la first and second generation.
Okay.
Over na.
Yeah, we vana.
Omepona access to third and fourth.
For Zreka.
Because no zem kakakakakade. Afi.
Wadreda.
Kemi abatros World Cup. Ta if want to the many be mi like globe wo menyo. Our many agenda ma
Blomilo.
Blomilo.
Look blow national rose. Okay.
Ta many be mi agbala me de do.
Okay.
Yake worry. Enu ita wo worry. E je be na zam for that purpose.
Okay. What say na no matter where do. Okay.
Ekwa. Yenye no matter. Ta one boy ala ne lemela ele comfortable.
Elle comfortable.
One
Eponadu
fine.
Okay.
Menu na new.
Okay, menu na new.
Consumption ele very good.
Okay.
That time modi be
was
ye ne gere me han la fifi lai abado. Ametepe ma ye la.
Ado fifi la be drive so ha go.
Ta eya la o matan ko ye na ye be de ko be me kona me sogbo.
Okay.
Ame enyi in the whole new la.
Ame enyi kokona.
Ta me adre kokole am driver ta enyi.
Okay.
Ta ye ena na with direct access to if my because ne be e na hola. Ne be vola akoko Iho Street.
Okay.
Menye be other ones where
ano to moji ano
ta na be amesi ameta ta zo am omega like bus gang odi eke o
short one so eke wa yokaba
kaba because as I'm saying because I mean ha ta vo me ayi ele kaba di me ayi no ma gbode ke kan yo
ano kaba di ava kafra ava kule moji ble na kpodokyo eke na do ke abado de ti na editi ha na do godo alumesigba.
Yes, that between them are the eka I choose.
I see.
Ta nyama rosette to gbona be o. Menye be tamiza a worry for its purpose.
Okay. Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. Abeleke nele efo Raymond Awiaga for Nkosema. Ya mamile no pocho National Road Safety Commission to issue a cover bed. They want to ban the use of Toyota Vozi Bumawa eya unfonu chomile. Ever uncho amekedole no pocho, especially the owners of those car. Ole opojiku alodo odojuku obe yogblan your business collector akemi etibe mi alen kuda business aspect mi alen kuda a safety aspect the laws of Ghana pe aspect ne mi kata mi akweda bede mekaila voda alo mekaida vo eya meti magblo okay ta efo le gbogbo be eyin to your experience ye no bu mame Toyota Vozi ya dem me kocho medina yina ekofori dua ba ipo a Obado mampo tuwaji na fina ewa festi ya lock amenuveve oyova kolonu epola do we save you mesi ba yo gede mampo agame efe personal experience alonu tefe ko Paul week ebuya blomie lenwa eyama o share plemi ewode o hade ne do Toyota Vozi akpo a ene do ide nu kanye experience ene kpo edufufu efe yiyinwe alonu kai jodo ha ji ekploba do de dia no kai ne nyachon na aglo na me vumo a le phone in segment ma that is why ohana pomo no popo a share ope advice ideas plan experiences you can popo nyele ji me ma bia be enye ke mesenya manya do menya bwa o menyenye do ka kenye ha mekpo be medu epoto fi ko itakradi o funa jo alegbegbe ye normally anye ne driver de le to pusi by in fact me fona alona me le bude me ko le buku kaka me fona ye driver gede o ha e wan to funa jukoko menye ba afa ma do ha jibodi me lo si o drivers do ko gbugbugbugbu kasa ne bi anya ne do fuma kem nyina na ma odi mi do ya ma na me do afi kem ye chi ha kafra e yakwe e ta mucho me do ekpo ka ken menye no nyo me do na o ta once there twice there ko me do ko itakra isa yako ka ken ama ofa me no ve ni me kpo na reke aside ka ken me kpo o put too much na pe ele popo aviator wo se be you ata no dodging kapa ko ano over speeding play overtaking mawo enye pe experience ma ya me po kaka apart from that oplomi kaka ko plombe le ma pa men be come dan wo cho ha mesenya me len ko don le mo adonu nye ma bia be hemiao Ghana to eselemiasi benevu de ava de koma amedo do ameyo national road safety tokle to yo okpona transport ministry okpona ewa fe nyonyo hafi ofana do be yo globe yo menya hafi odasi ewa over do come okole do kaka nchofe wo ba le pojese ha lo le kenesusu
authentic mama akwe enya mai bialo akwe Ghana dey ame ojebe no wo fe amome lo fe do wo mu
bo do wo nyu okay
o le wo ga ko me le wo nyu
okay
because enye bela one menye national road safety told the day
okay
Ghana Standards Authority
okay
ole part any MTT
touch le part okay
ole custom
touch
Ghana esenye bela any section 58 at 2025
okay
yes now ebela custom service or open responsible enebela what prevents any car ye ava Ghana nenye from right model to left la
yo obodo da si custom to wa
to cry the
ma va du como
ma va crowd
okay
gake
e wa to bon kaka va le du como le do wo cry pe do sunu ya
because even as of now la ebuma import from the even data from national road safety la even DV over 7,000 cars over Ghana
okay
without passing through like
normal process.
That is one.
Okay.
Yeah, Ghana Standards Authority. We check what is called quality control.
Okay.
Is it safe for the people?
For the people.
Top radio back correct.
NTTU.
Okay.
Be what check even because one except Kranyabella umatanza white number plate.
Okay.
Ako commercial transport.
Okay.
Tane be register for commercial use la. Ejebe wana commercial number plate.
Okay.
Kake look at amole Voxy white number plate.
Zane.
Zan for their Enyabella is for private use.
Okay.
Kake okole even commercial emiwo.
Okay.
Papuli road safety ton. Thousand tama bebe at first la online azon ke ofo because amole kuku.
Okay.
Ta wo fe doma those bodies la wo fe doma jebede wakpo
kaka o meta wonu makaka wo over body to come
system here kra because azon ala na me say me be ya do bla amodi Voxy because
ayokaba ayikaba ha
yes that's only me na mo amo import a war
cover
for asat even this year from January to February ending la e bumawe o import alo o register I'm Twitter Voxy la over 2,700
over 2,700 wow
you o register just within 2 months
yeah a woman for Toyota Voxy ya over 2,700 ever to come authentic mama the 103.1 FM onna mo e wabadovo ya mi chose over le blobe yo le ban leke ami o wase come
enyama now You don't bela if one today.
Mm.
Ne ebe apply Toyota Vox la
Mm.
170,000, 180,000. That's 1.8 billion, 1.7 billion.
Okay.
Apply
Okay.
the car.
Okay.
When they play the camera, if the car la fan la akpo pega kaba quick.
Okay. La be want le fast. Ay ya boka baka.
You know everything. For instance, Mazan Madina to Kofori. Ta never do le Madina to Kofori la. I had 60 Ghana cedis.
Okay.
Ta ekona amewamene adre.
Okay.
Ta no you want trip la. 60 times 7 la.
Okay.
And now no 4.2.
Okay.
Ta no gagbo la.
The same.
4.2. Ta already la 8 point something.
I see.
Ekwa. Ta na mi kwebe even 8 million.
Okay.
Ta no you just even one trip long. Jora gbe ba sele fira
gbe na calculate
akpo nene 40 million.
I see.
40 million. You want a sales a week. I'm not one having 35 million.
Okay.
30 million, 40 million a week.
I see.
Tanami peg probably driver the car one just 25 million a week. I'm consider the car. Tano what 25 million you consider the car. I'm genu the car up on 10,000, 100 million.
Yeah.
The 100 million if the car 12 months la under 120 million. That already la.
Easy to make up quick.
Yes.
Yeah, tamole cover. Yeah, I may you open door that so you be what a right hand car coming to the country. Okpo kaka and no over to come for 50 you be you le ban. Okay. Because I any amount of vitamin I am saying be if wa mele be wa vow ye me na over ela be right hand ye me na over where over left hand you over supplement to come pe fofoko o call it do efe gbogbo ya amare ke megbo nya reko no kata all of a sudden ko nye ba cho ela bo ba po ide sibe ela foku po alegbegbe alomi sigba because sigbe nye one of the reasons be ela foku po ele accident po ela mowu alegbegbe la be kase ne de nya ewan to kase no lonu a edugu na ala be menye do sell flashy car on your family ride no you akoko le commercial ta no dogo pele bu sese de kwa enya ya mi voma asqueeze mi abe alekomiana de tiene iya taye road safety tole poplo be you di be iwato efe valid come okay maglo be ta efe totola e dasedeji a o abetumevi le ameke po experience ma he no me he po afokuma and unfortunately ha el maudi ni lagbe. Do you support the call?
Enyamaga bialo like ala ekore ele very sensitive because minamo amo okwe deme.
Okay.
I'm looking over for loan le banks. Ekwa ta you see ta enyamalo for the no ban la no na ban le gumaji ala. In a way la I reduce if zazan le mizane la I reduce.
Okay.
Ta one la I cut off importation.
Okay.
Gake mega kwetu akademe.
Okay.
Ena edo amo.
Okay. Ewa ena be amo po dole wo. Okay. Benefit the kama.
Benefit the kama. 2. Ena bela amo tan wana ofe business kaba. Aton de tepere agbo. Ayi ava kaba.
Business haleji le to come. Okay.
The business allergy la ina na be gahan la.
Ele va to come. Okay.
Ta yenye those aspects.
Aspects mau.
Ta ne banede new kajora me maji.
Amem toke le bu mako afia be domaka no si o. Wa ba no to bubuti.
Honest ma over holon.
Over holon couple ha. Yo ha odo agba. Ta do come asene yo ha.
Nyama. Body.
Engai.
Mi bia me ko be de nu kamia ton awo.
Be amevia mi akata mi no safe.
One. E je be mi educate am drivers.
Okay.
Because sales more je be no wala sometimes na pressure ba no oji e go kula drivers so. Pressure ba loji ta o le kaba di.
Ayagbo at least 3 times in a day.
Mi drivers so chela. No tempo pe sales la no tempo even 3 days. No tempo 3 days ko pe sales la. Mit mamle petela atrozu oto. Ta o chola kaba wala o de wala ba jebedi.
You are we akpo profit le over
kaba amro o ton okubuare. Okuna amro to nyolo gake o ton flow to within a short time.
Okay.
Ta yenye enu na mo me ape emo ma zamile de ale mo
Mo chen le kole.
emo gerela menyu
Okay.
da wola one menye fe tai e ma zan ole in the first place so that je be mi akpo emo ha emo ye never do it to the even road signs crowd o men le crowd even mazan even Madina to even Koforidua apart from a brie never do brie kwela road signs de kemegale
Locally. Maybe I'm going to tell me on Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM. African regular. Me akpo advantages and disadvantages. Ya do mami advantages, I do ma disadvantages, I do children. But concern ke amio oneso, play driver so, play racing. Abeleke regular. Honest, play driver so le blobe. Many while and I wo ke bon driver so lebe abeleke we need to do more education. Kakame say director for road safety and blobe every day obe education. Many make a support education now because we have the same thing. Amo no back for no joke. Okay, let's play the G. That yo amedo make a support education because they say education will be talking about every time. I can't drive it so ha eligible dying up kuku. So as you said that wow drivers so more dodo eketi ole mo wala more menu na minye le Ghana abeleke ne le glo mensiba ye drivers so have to mag body my kaba magbo ma make sales are more than necessary na ihe makpotonye mako enye perfecto to ha ine ewebe enu yo ha le jojo mesebe enu anto do defo enye to mesenya edefo enu eke na wo megbeto yi me support you enye particular enye be nu de ke awo megbeto me support you kakia na mi ka lem ko de akpapopo na ko ebe amedo ha o abeleke ne glo holon ko ba flevu yo as a business o le wo let come all of a sudden ko be bo amatan ka wono ma eni odu agba edo ameyo ko hole driver so ha edo ha ajolosi pele bubu a opo for me ko na ko be chain ma ko ano going broad kwa do wa me collector enya edefo kakia according to 2025 Ghana 25 report e ko cover road safety toko do nye be Ghana recorded 2,949 road crashes like fatalities like 2025 alone e ko be the highest in 35 years in history of Ghana. Over the Jesibe, we get involved last accident mele Ghana. Ble for kuike sunwa a pebla ve a la face que bla nevo a si que son yanye a for kuse sen yo jole du come e ke over the Jesibe we ado ole me more. If we are only more of the fatality so allo a cause you can cause this fatality so and we be you balance kule dan ko be emi evoa elebe wa stop over zaza be commercial dan emi lem kudon wa enya I don't know enya me support but no one ola me wule ya elebe wa stop efe commercial use na nya tanzen jofi ko iseko jofi ko ikanishi jofi ko ya shama like Medina within drivers so mo bodu pugbe prara sigbo and more lesser vie than main alone journey ke one to puma ikaba magbo to so no we sigba I don't think be lenye first sunu ya lo be ele too bad okay I'm fe accident fe no na to vida kaka medo le boblobe it is not only the Toyota Versa yako they say amedo kra leg blobe mepo owners of the Toyota Versa ono kwa blobe 207 over to la inje basi so o la inje kwe to tanu kata oba le yo ya to blo efu
you know you ready Ghana to today me may have me may implement I mean policy ya na me bere me anya bere Ghana a wookie at one year long distance, a wookie matter you. I tell me have clear and me.
Okay.
Because next come up a history la. First la ni Ford, American Ford. Ye vazu common. Ye amole azan vapor accident amo ku amo involving in accident. Ye Sprinter va get a system eme.
Va get a system.
Sprinter ha va ho
Accident.
accident. Ye 2M Express. Straight or vice one. No ha over
vai.
Amo over ye ha accident. Amo be aeroplane. Small aeroplane. So ta ye ha afi Voxy. Va get a system eme. Ta ina be ko mi try and error. I mean, they call me even system eme. Ta national road safety. Ministry because even one any and so many the president here and many be customs what atan na mo be no import a right hand vehicle Ghana except ministerial approval. The Ministry of Roads and Highway no men na approval for transport ola o ma import a woman Ghana in the first place.
If you don't touch woman wo do you excel to come
except la gbanleme. Fine. Yes. That need a $1 and me man no fiam nya
yo bro.
What amoku amrokra de ame o logic po.
Onye breadwinner so na pometo.
Osino. Last me va even donation na woman de ka no de ka. Esrople vie ton petit accident o petit. Azo ameka po woman eji.
Authentic Mama, the 103.1 FM.
American Milu, according high school fees
Voice.
Epe dreams la a cut off. I'm road deformed because of road accident.
Ozu metal
yes
kafra.
Epa, you are a cell little.
If you be ne dibe a cell na wodo.
No wodo.
Now be melebe na ko right hand vehicle va to come ko. Eleba me yo wodo da si onye be wa kpo no ma chibe no ma gere wa wodo.
No wodo.
Wo bu fuma no noise wo kweto anu ga hoko. So mele do. Fifi na mo ja gbava ba to bu ko no ve ahe o ko va le do a mi va le nya oglo. Enya do defo. En no fit to la o ga 10 minutes aton to na nya fifi afi ne ba tune in ways over top radio papa la oji ele authentic mama emefa bled to na nyu bobo show pen kosem. Nyela no popular for Raymond Awiaga freelance journalist and content creator. Ye wo nyem nyela no for topic kenye the ban on Toyota Voxy yaun eke national road safety tole kokove ever the issue and on TV amepon chobe even some owners so le gbogbobe you are court you are all the threatening be you are konya court ela be you for business ya o matambo Brian Code akosusu ya ve kwa bagno you for business makobe. In fact, owners of the Voxy cars are very angry and the drivers as well. All are very okodojiku kakede enyanye bede eku penyae menyebe eku penyae obedukoma atamia blame National Road Safety to nya blame custom to nya blame MTT to nya blame DVLA to nya blame the transport ministry plato yo ame yo nye stakeholders ye to lebe wa kpo no ma bo me we wa yo fenya fifie ko enya petevazu nya to nya po mo na o ha na gereme ne do ma hi experience ade alo enya de le un asio na bia lo akokpe a o ha na gereme Voxy number phone number nye ekeni ayom letinye 0303 944 864 0303 944 864. So 0303 phone number 0303 944 864. Call Ojavava. Second number Macpon if it's 020 242 0030 020 242 0030. Amegban tole kaji mi gade mekle mi asusu leke du me vio mi kata mienye do susu blo. Ape meto melankos header. Hello. Akpen ko defo. Luigi.
we are going to a quality of where break up break the crowd, the food, put the road. Then I'm from Bandy Big, walkable. I don't have big like a
Melissa. Okay. Marakuyo akpe emegbe ha na ni adohana amesia egbe mi ponuta akpe kaka. Okay. Hello, where's Upper Metal? Papa Melankase. Florence, okay. Miele toji. Obene fana koklo na fana vakwe.
Hello.
Oh, hold on.
Hello.
Hold on, Madako no kajina mimi gbona. It's a Florence. Aha, mebede nene fana koklo na fana vakwe. Tamia domiele lekpo akpavio kata lekemia we. He wanyo aye lekpo miele tamia mi ademia susu agblocho lekemia mi susu nya upete domedio mienyo. Be yo olese kwa wa poleke wa wedasia. So, but the cook, hold on. Hello, sister. Hello. Okay, me do ta flash line jumping because my problem the issue. Okay, let me go. For Francis.
Meto.
Where's up meto?
So, everything I'm talking about program ya that platform aji.
Akpe.
Me do Toyota Foxy ya chu Madina ina de aflawu. So we can look Madina ina de Benin. 30 minutes after we are to you are. It of we until Moji. Alebe Toyota Foxy ya aflawu Nigeria over zero kata le Moji ya. Eto yunti. Alebe nyomi vero aflawu kuko kwa sevado. A guy can fall and let you Madina Yaflawi 70 Ghana, all 1.4 times 2 horse. We have 100 less here, come see I'm flexible. No band there for commercial user. And the kind of advantage you are Kuala when you Papa here, Apenami.
Marakuyo, Akbedo was soon. I beleke experience. Okay, let me take one from you. Let me say hello, Upper Metal. Elankonya sir. Okay, I don't know what's happening to the line. Tamia, Misa, other one, eh? Okay, let me go with this. Hello. Where's Upper Metal?
No, don't come Moses Kotoka the young Shagro.
Young Shagro, where's so?
You're
Marakuyo, military.
Oh, and the never much authority. And the place of Corona. No one about that blow of you one or to be blood. I walk with you at the photo. Abali me, I had the dollar. Whatever customer, real service to our own, the walking the boat, for another for to come. Kakuna, for to come. Asking whether grounds or what to be to go. I live over our war, and will not talk for Nina Shaman after the go. No way. want to join us with and we do some common. I want you to know. A police here, if you have a no view of Jagomagazo, I got share by. Over Doma, over Domo. You could get from
Okay.
Then I know from a when you was a Kagua, when your commercial is already.
I only got the banner, Jamaica.
I cannot was there, but private moon and now. Academy.
I'm a bubble academy. But a cuckoo a line what the cookie de vata misa 020-242-0030. Yapelima 020-242-0030. Yomana Fumaha. Okay, Maka try one line. Makonema Wonuyakwa. Hello, Apameto. Hello. Okay, there's a issue the line. So Nyanza Eya. Hello, my call the Kakpedon Hango, huh? No one no fast name 020-242-0030. Hello, Apameto. Maracuya, long code.
Can you come here with Dana? You have to Mamprobi camera.
Mamprobi, military sister.
And I make you all in charge now. Enora, young mistake. One the best thing. I know when you can now drive me. I'll get your chocolate dog. I think
Akpedo was a suta. Okay, hello.
Hello.
Ways of all.
Good evening.
Good evening, Cody. Pokwasi, like all like
yeah, ni hama jima koto ni vireva vita bozi kwa buya onwe. Abali ke fude global ya. Ejibe authority wana wava juamu for the first time. Because nobody work player, Twitter bit player is more do only right hand drive that go down. Box here, where private use. The only thing they will have to do is that as you go by drivers so one limit of speed limit, speed or you and then what would you because Ali would fear I'm only one in you. And problem can have a problem because fish are moving once I want to go ban crowd.
Okay. Okay. Marako Akpedo was a suta. Okay. Hello, Apameto.
Madam.
Good evening. Marako waits on Cody.
Nyankonya yawo apetogo.
Lay your two.
My young down to man.
Marako Yifo.
Marako driver, my Mokuna, in our upload.
Marako Yiji.
I'm a lap of my never.
You
Never of marrying near of one whenever Lava over spread a view of a common. I said, that is school boys, small boys. Applaud Modia, Madia, I laid a view for Mali, the Vimonia Motalo for Kuma dear. Manu.
Ole of us speaking cool.
All of us, this is our Aloma Sanao.
Okay. My experience alone.
Along got driving school about 2 months driver, 4 months driver. Of course, Manamana is long journey.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a mania moji. When you voted, I'm a voter with the soul. Many a movement. I will start so blue so Catava for full of Mamaji. Akuma Mama is a highway new.
Okay.
My alone could drive over Comuna. Oh, in my person.
That driver so over speeding and not cost messy back.
What I see to Funta near Joseph or Yaku, no apple more
okay. Akpedo officers to Amabon Academy, but Akumi when Uncle Pelegana Catalakachi at Tawayom Hale 020-376-9562 020-376-9562. Medota Flatcher, I'm also the line Hanji, Kakia, line Mele, Enuya, or Yatayom land 020-242-0030 020-242-0030 allo 020-376-9562 Okay, makako. Okay. Yomle line mauji line amele nu ya wonwe tutu mele mi anko senyi ota yomle number veya 020 242 0030. Allo 020 376 9562. Yomle odo methode si adeji nema hwenao instead of being line madekuku nyele no pocho Toyota Vosi ban aka National Road Safety Commission tole cover that you le ban from commercial purposes ya nyele no pocho leko legbo way do me vi hello apameto
It's not even good hearing me. I don't see the way.
nyele to
I can hear what is going on at the TV.
okay, so what do you want to say? First of all, where are you calling from? Your name? Okay.
You know one thing about the boxing? I'm suspecting it's the face from the cowness. Because the normal throttle in Accra here is 400 to 300, but it's 500 to 6 a car.
I sales 500 cedis.
You must go and come back and find him.
Oh, okay.
And the pressure from the car owners.
Okay. So the car owners are the cause of the accident, right?
I suspect that because I'm a driver in Accra here.
Oh, okay.
And you know, there's nowhere to, after from the driving school, you must go to do maybe small activity before you go to long journey.
Yeah.
And after you get it, you go straight to long journey.
I see.
So sometimes I hope the experience will come small.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You better learn the very fast, okay? Oh, what's your name? What's your name?
I'm Islam.
Calling from where? Weja Barrier. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Hello. For Peter Dranya, Palestine to Biletoji.
Yo, so Baba Agba, I don't know, no, ya so much like I said, Yadiana, is we are Maduri. I woke up for Pola, Yaka Modi, my Jojoma, my Jojom, Navaliana, Nilan Kudan, Yapa, Ghana, I'm more yoga, Zamia lady, I'm more when you are Manu, I can have Danare, and you know that can have young Kulanda Yamantia. Happy driver, you can walk in the Wawaya of Wakula, and banana jaw, a two of Kula Bomania, boy, and what to me. Banana Lankuram, Amora, Unula, do you found her? I can't for music for Thomas, Kuranga of Waka, Hello, Ala, you will have a bit of walking for Laba walking.
Madako Akpena for Peter Adra Anya Palestine. Hello, Apameto. Away so. Madako and long code day. Okay, Leno Pocho.
No Pocho Zamala.
Nearly to Janal for.
This is Papa. In DNDC time day. And look at although look at car washing the harbor. And then a time can mean no cargo ship van. Car washing go when you had a woman, car woman, but I check now. No woman a good user for retain. Like the same this year about this year. Echo Baroko, American Libertine or Dowa Time Kenny, one now, that was 15th March 93. I have a competitive, you come over. I know I said, authority day, what are you doing? I bet cost from a great office.
Marakuku akpe authority so wa wo bodonwe mesiba. Okay. Akpena wo ha. Okay. Ko so le va subo alegbegbe menya benya ekanyi ha la be mikatantim miele involved de enyanya me la be wo ha na do enye ha ma do mi pone leke mi awe ne mi kata mi ano agbedidi ya ko glomele afameto nko bra fine yo chefo nye
bebe to cho sakoya
bebe to me le to jina
sister no come for you very eba for me no bound ya amoko ko le for ku am no le tramon mo we le do no because let for that go for ku yi let am ejo ta o ma jamre ko business ora ele ko to ma launch na nya ma like ni na ma aja ma like so ko funa do ka do now atona me
oh ha hello I'm at Baba Radio Namsia hello edo for oizo nko de for
alias Bobby.
okay baby ko be kro me le toji
Nick Baba of the Avantari. Brava, good because of what we allow where we put money in the money. That's what I feel like this of what I have a physical in that will be a unique voila. I have a officer all reduce that figure. Or tell you, you won't go back later. Never place you, never pay for. But there you go. Somebody handed over the floor. Never my photo. Somebody police, not so far. No check, driver, run my and there. I have a finding. Maybe extrêmement peut-être ou donc vraiment pas mais about
evaho obane menyo evaho maleko akpele mususuta amebobo hana agademe amese me close su evuavado hoho no bane agbele no la madobo fe business kleto unti drive so obe ole overspeeding wo ehia education now aloa na limit ado kleto amese me kleto like me we eseto ye we le senya ye o cover eseto ha de o ha o leme o me wo fe do da sinyo e boavado o register bo amado no ba bia efonye o no ba bia be me be ewa right hand ye mele be no va to come eto me un kakaka authorities un kakava do come o kakava yi kava register ha o me gbe ya de ko kaka e boavale do fifi me be ele efo winter senya o yi
I think mama and yala a blobber I happy so because one the
authentic mama the 103.1 FM
that's a critical aspect here I could there I'm a private oh yeah me have attitude towards public institutions alone nena a government or government tamaton for any ayalolo wale misuse humora no a help of vala first as an Wi-Fi I thought charge your phone let me okay azon
o zembasa basa e so gbele dade fuma
ta me wo am government like nena government to me apete me je me lebene ko any ale metro mass apete ogben thousand individuals ko aton yi ava plevu because one kwala na me ebe enyi abeg bene va plevu krade ameko je bene check
but e wale good
condition
afi wa je
because na ya plevu ko akoyi maton yi am Taifa station ma va di bookman mako boko there no bookman fa si o bookman be jibe wona yi la pass na yi eni ko eje dogo go me
so mele do department yo le be wa ko se oji ha o mele do de ke
one kwala na eni ne oko ebucho abrochikra vala eje be no check even the accident history of a war
no ife
take me check now dan said the kola
corruption is but let it come e we be oh kotofiko mi won de kotofiko for e we be mi kata mi va le stranded let it come
even DVA le kura na yila even Goro boys what wa connection I won
no ka no say no for atan ye jile Ghana na galasuko na vite de lao abeleke mi atom yele se leke mi apite leg blolo mi apite we are all involved abeleke mi ape ka gblene mi katantim yele me eku aleka mole kuku kafra me yifama gboko wa becho 3 days ago voice ya o president 3 days 4 days yes
afi even
3
program
days echo ha voice ka president so abeleka ole globe many commercial purposes so we now o we be a family issue family car onye azo abeleka medegle Ghana pe momenyo mi le buma cover du comme un momenyo eso ngo la citron le mobon ta emo leme driver so han leme ejima godin leme honest so han fe gadidi vivo ana pressure driver so be me wo sales lesunu abeleka somebody mention it it's all part so we are all involved american ma de lemo government and tomelo do wonye do institutions so melo do wonye do the come view melo do wonye do amesia metim alekemia we fifie lekemia we ke wanyo yanyenya ole gomeje amadebe yedebe ya webe enuma nato ebuma overdo the come ho obe you omele ban be meka wodo kra obe mia wodo kakemia wodo le city oko le area oko o my long distance o e ya gbolomo le kakeme kpo be driver so ple one so le threaten be wa yi court ela akonya ko yi court ple to ekazu egbo politics be fifi laiko enya pete kazu agbaga na to ela be mi kata mi alen ko de no ne nde kenye national issue ko mi awe national mi akwe awe nene ekenya politics mi awe politics ekenya politics ko mi deleme na mi aton stand on something abed to call ene exactly the donor wodo na to come na nyo mana na nye be thanks to you computer clinic I want your sponsors of the Dunenyo Bobo show obe yo le o da dole wuntla bele gbogbo wunti e ya ta dole le for me vide siade e kele won abe infertility prostate diabetes stroke gonorrhea asthma typhoid stomach ulcer white insomnia sickle cell severe headache hepatitis B and A plateau. Thanks to you computer clinica o le kweno nie su hum le asaman kese moji novi. Thanks to you computer clinica for location nye kweno nie su hum on the Asaman Kese road. Contact doctor on 0545 252 880 0545 252 880 allo 020 596 1109 020 596 1109. Thanks to you computer clinic, the best clinic afike na yi akpodo yoyole me kafina doctor le 24/7 be yakpede unti o esebegbe ha you na do begbe na wa sen edolele me now akpede unti o togbe dahome chogbenyiga herbal center oyo ha ole nungwa coastal agbenyiga herbal center togbe dahome ele Nungwa Coastal, Bogbomedodesiade, spiritual marriage, infertility, diabetes, hernia, eye issue, liver issue, kaka, alotu ache, high blood pressure, low sperm count, enlargement, whatever, tiredness, fatigue, barrenness, malaria fever, typhoid, sexual weaknesses, impotency, premature ejaculation, enka rheumatism cocoa fibro no menstrual pain o wono katanle agbenyiga herbal center especially gbogbomedo your togbe le 0591 826 800 0591 826 800 no victor lao ne wakpede untio ole nungwa coastal ene ko bubado nungwa coastal kwa ene yo 0591 826 800 Agbenyiga Herbal Center Lenungwa Coastal. Olumambugi step to vote for your favorite contestant. Abaleke mienya Top TV. Miekona Olumambugi asapapapa ni mieko evenana mi every Sunday. So gandre tutubakore gasieke every Sunday. Ene bi akpo nchuo fe wududu alekewo odunawo menye nyunu kwe dra nchuo ha drawo. Nebe Olumambugi. Medekuku this week I'm a vision wolo. Ole vision wa damole me. E atane me dakone wo favorite contestant wa ekema nya deleme. E ata ene bia dakone wo favorite contestant amedeku koko de dran code nye star 447 star 226 hash star 447 star 226 hash. Yanye code ke nene bia dakona wo favorite contestant Olumambugi favorite contestant Yanye ma star 447 star 226 hash. Yanye code there. You just enter the nominee contestant code. Amegbanto eve eton oh well open number so first second third kakako yi 24 or something. Ekema you enter. Amegbanto ne be a vote nako on it down star 447 star 226 hash. Ekema be enter the nominees contestant code. Code you can enter. Obe choose enter the number to vote. Ekema the next one yebe number of votes taken be aware. A vote is 2 cities. 1 vote is 2 cities. Eke to be a vote na me ko enter whoever authorized payment. Apeleke me on a momo authorized payment ko quickly ko authorized ko. If you have 10 cities, 20 cities, they vote now. Then you vote for your contestant, your favorite one. Novi nyasalao ekema you wait for the confirmation ko ever. Na yes ko ever. Olumambugi asapapa ni Sunday 7 p.m. sharp. Miano Top TV. Ako wana avenami Olumambugi. And be a backbone now, it is open. Natawa backbone no Sunday, so 7 p.m. Le Top Radio La Fiqua. A backbone no Top TV. Le miafi ekema akpo and no. Efonye obe vivi me vola go kun afio dasile won. Enya kana ko wonu pede ko lebe ma yi program boboji.
Okay. Thank you, mama. Mada kwena. Gake mi afe enui mi afo de kade gbo eyo ebe ewore kene ebe akozomo for onto personal use o matan akozomo ha. Ne won to le woku yala enyale akwi.
Klo for family a.
Klo for family enyale awe.
Chigbode ke okwi.
Ekela amreva plenawe ta o me la me fe enu ikra filo. Egadine leta. Yes.
Okay.
Enoma. Tari enyala is very complicated and very sensitive. Dakela ejebe se no wodo.
Okay.
Because if you want entity you krala esekura enyebela drivers will have association. Driver unions will have any association. Ofe don yebe no over check ofe wo crack over the ofe wo krala all the good condition for that. A domalo mele in good condition for that. Gake biabere o woni alo o me woni. Enye accident la enye fe kulo. Basere gbe Leo, mama.
I see.
Daddy, essay ala.
Elebeni wodo.
Menye be la be fe
dog blanc.
Awo.
Esseni wodo.
Tane drivers ne ones obo wa yi court la fan. That is open constitutional right.
No yi court.
Gake ne lo fe gadidi plan me de fe agbede.
Agbede. O intona a judge ko. Efonye Raymond Awiaga, freelance journalist and also content creator. Eya L1 a doppler GTV. Eya fenko nesefien ya. Efo afi madasile wana doka nelo no to menyaba me video relation adofien na ode.
Mado gona ye fe anti vida tenge. Anti mia ele enu yam kukrobite.
Okay.
Pole efe sister pole nye veliawo bikejebito ehoto. Do gona kata even prince krabe ya monitor mi ga ke ele moji na ko fifila ta fifila ele moji ta.
Okay.
Me do gona kata. The man now happy birthday in advance.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much in advance too. Akwekaka for Raymond Awiaga ya fen command se vakpedemia ano diva once e kwa kwami akweve le topic vovo do me ela be ye we no stories so yo meti onu no po le cover pleta for no cover le TV oji omi ano cover enu ekete fo po mi ava share so that mi kata mi awe wanyo akpena okakaka be mi yo wa eva onyapo akpena egbe fedo. Okay, my Jesus the cafe map onu pele newspaper headline no you wait jole kosan fe takaka ata no gbonyefa as of the come akpaya. Okay, mana na nye be no you wait jole kosan me ma didu pe de kwa ke ma togbe agbenye ga heba center mi asobo nko enye be nuchwa o sabe akpa enla gbogbo ado oku lete mahabola fuma enla gbogbo ado enla ekenye samo yo pleto oku de chioji omenya no katututu ewebe enla oku de chioji lete malafuma eyata wole investigation wo temaship yard efuma ye no ajole temaship yard yo kwebe enla Samo pele la gbogbo ma oku de chiaji omenya no kagbo cho eyatamele no for mafifia food and drugs to police fishery department commission tema metropolitan assembly pele bubao ame onye institutions o concern data will investigation wo pakpo bede no katututu ewebe akpa gbogbo ma o enla gbogbo ma wa oku le tema ship ya la fema ha enla ma wa gede odo market krago ha nyanya Ghana adufude ekpo no ako overload ojewo tafisi ne dia dola food and drugs but to be wash out no careful na kpon la nyu pe na fle vivieto samo ye wenye la o eku fifi o menya no kai wu la o oku kakeminya Ghana to amedo aba ado afidogodo market pleto especially tema areas so ameyo la play abem ya no careful for the drugs but ona wonima yata anu fle la o la sme emi ya mi len kodo no lo leke mi wa anya kra enya alo mekadri akpa hado within these 2 weeks ko na wa investigation mi akpo no kele jojo enya jojo gbanto enya jojo veli anye National Road Safety Authority abeleke mi gbla o le try be alo be you le banding Toyota Vosi ya o ebuya o glomila o ben wa ban o ba maka ayi commercial alo long distance areas wow in how in intracity to yoko wow akot amechofiko imagine achofiko iseko pleto yo afine kake akomo ikumasi takradico frida vota obe el accident cause alegbegbe amole kuku le bumaunti ta o lasido eji eyanyenya ike nmi poncho enyajojo veliama enyajojo etole nyebe over dejesi be amadola moble le try be obe World Cup eke igbemye gbole Canada US kleto wa amedo ja moble e over la mo traffic ko gaya se no ve makplo ye Canada na va ko ball na va wodo ene ba ko ball over kram agbo na no finya wodo kleto obe mi kponye de obe unsuspecting victims so le trafficking people in the name of the World Cup e atabe mi no careful amadeke mi ka ble obe yakplo yi World Cup na ba ko ball US alo Canada Ogayave nene over crapoa a dolly obemia no careful onye fake people will trying to deceive you ako vega e wakplo about the kume e atabe mikponye minister for gender unchokle other department o meeting cho o deje sinya ya be amo fiafito fake people will trying be wazan work up ako blamo ako galosi be wakplo azomo akplo adi dono obemi akponye de la bo la mo o le mi amoble la mo wu la moble la mo bo gaho pleto eke o maten akplo ha akoyo no vito la o yo menye nya veve ton eke meti ma covenant me e ata nya me yo hedi be you World Cup o le mi amedo wa blame me over makplo yi ko gave ma o pepes na wa obemi no very careful wa blame akomya ga eye adogo ha be nem ye yo makagbo wa alakpaye wa tro mi abete gbo nena tanyi krapo nyenya ya tawe mia no njo le enu mounti ya wenye nya jojo tonyo le very critical we hia ba makodom yankume enla dudu nyao mia to mi no careful fifi lai vivie to tema area o ple Toyota Vosi fe ban ya pa ple work of fake ameyo le trafficking people o la mobile kola be yo akplo yi ple to a ya wenye nya jojo ekele kake before then mia to togbe akwenyega chogbenyega heba center se unkoda fa emi ayi wonaji
chi tumenye baba show abaleke menya ke egba togbe dahome ni senkopode ni jesi etafetiti ejovu ekatroba do Ghana dome togbe dahome echo agbenyega heba center lemungwa ke fifilaya afi mene tibe ya kpotogbe dahumelea na tibe ya yibo ne wa tikena wa akpotogbe dahume le costo nungwa costo ne do nungwa costo adi dafuma akpobe tazi ola fuma tazi station ni akota cho afuma ko aglobe ya di de bottle e ya metiti community tondepe kukukwa edo afima je togbe dahume yoyo gome krago hafi na polipele 0591 826 800 Togbe Dahome to Agbenyega Herbal Center. Ekena po efe location ye Mungwa Coastal. Nene do afuma Arkotazi la fima Coastal la fima Aglobe yadi de bottle. Afiado de bottle le Mungwa. Na yo Togbe Dahome le 0591 826 800 0591 826 800. Eya Togbe Dahome to Agbenyega Herbal Center. Akpeke yantola afie memia iji Togbe wezo.
Yo, okay. Madogone Ghana be to ko pete be abete be bemele se fifia Togbe Dahome me se nko fifia ejiji vire chamezomo bo ni kuku nti po chamezomo vo me trobova so yeye buo tro homisie se buo so pe se ko to e me va be na ba drado me vire ameke ele kuhe me ola dedo die le Mungwa Coastal me gbado fun kwa on contest le fun e bona bottles na me abado fun kwa le yom le viola preva ya me akuhe ke be sova na pedenti.
Okay. Togbe Dahome to Agbenyega Herbal Center fe nkomane se ebe etrogbo va Ghana jiame eje wo vie etrogbo pele nse yo be ya ba dadole gbogbo pe ntila mesia ameseme ke le gbogbo medole ntila medole a Togbe Dahome etrogbo be ni akpebe nti o kenya jegome eya to me akpebe egba anu kan ti o ni le mu fogbeche ni afunto evimajimaji infertility nti pe no papaji Togbe ebe mi aponto nkan
Amia egbe amia pomposo evimajimaji be akpaji le usugoma le yonu gome Nyano sebe amedole ya ode na so nchu oni da kevu ode yonu wa ke ode ya yonu wale hotomu no ewo ya mandre 7 years ga kevu a efumule ba amedole ya wona ya mewukwa wa efam vao wa mu jebela idene o ne mu di mi bende mi anu na we chami ko mi le jupo are mi bele jupo an ke vire ko akaka na jinde kaji ni to alo peke me ni de mi anu de so efudola va le peone ka kevu a amedogo amu le idene o ejijina la osigbe piano André piano ton piano me kakevwa efwa le ba ko gbedo ni gelo ye Togbe Dahome ji lu kanti mi agelo ji eno ya gelo ji ene nke gbo bele na nke gbo bele so ye yo na pe ntu a le du so pe ni na de kakevwa efwa le ba wa ni ava ne Togbe Dahome ma ko mi so nti ni wona bele ma te ko ni nti.
Okay, di maji nchukule nyonu papaji ya maglole ne kukia de le nti onene nchukule nyonu ni desino fe gbogbo alo epe bi metan le fudo nyonu ha metan le fufun wa no sia meke kudo mu ma wa ebe ye trogbo nami ati opeke ogbe opletoli ne ne vakwa ya pebe nti be o aton ajivi ano deti ebe jojo ano afeme alo me ne bla
Ya nene wa kafla nchudo le fifije ya wabe odoma problem no count no spend count sigbebe wabe anevimi le si ameno enu ale nyere ele gbasi anyere problem ke mu le nti o kakebua ekunacho ntu agbo ye efuante vanao kakebua yendo chale ya dolele yendo dolele no wanti sigbebe fiber lo white lo infection down no wanti sigbebe ntu achana le ya efuam vanao kakebua ntu agbo problem ke mu lo ni agbo chan problem ke mu lo ye o le ju kakebua fam le vanare ejebe ola kunu le so nti de mo ni ke gbogbo le so ne gbogbo me ya ye Togbe Dahome le fie e ma pe de mu le apamaji ye amola po e village e ma wa ndo amerike le heri amebe amela ko no to gbere amesia me amawa e ko mi karikani mi be ni aso to mo be agbeta donc eta problème vijiji to ya medutune nembe amiatele abochi o kepe de sia de kepe bele e problème wa le ji ya no ba do kanana le ye pe ka no ba ji 059 18 26 800 na mebe pokanimle eno ba waji kwa ela biom kuku de sia de kebe le ji so apamajia ela biom ye ba se gomecha
kayo no ba make
yebe no ba 059 18 26 800 mebe no ba ya 059 1826 800. Na be pokana ko ala kedonti.
Okay, number man say Togbe Dahome Chogbenyiga Herbal Center. Epe number 059 182 6800 059 182 6800. Togbe Dahome Chogbenyiga Herbal Center. Epe location near Mungwa Coastal. Nene do afuma na di. Nako tazi la fuma coastal tututuko na brother in a bottle. Add the bottle. Ayo Togbe le number maji. Yanji Togbe ke abeleke blebe into adowa obojo le into sexual weaknesses, impotency. Ometon be you are to fukafra obosumo etia ha be no adowa ha well a week. Most of the video kill. I don't have white collector for the na or the poor collector infection. Vanabe, no do ha over vigigula ehe evimele evava. Ebe one no market.
Me wara ne be pata si bebe kafla ni nchupo wa ula be me oni jibia de kapo ware vagone ula po village le yoni ngo me chan ni jibi po wa de so eva me bienya me bie ko shi no be ntina nkore me wona telephone ni me gbo me be so tipo a ela po village dedere eken dolore de pepe ke ya me anti infection ya nuke be yo ebe le ton pona me o nchua ebe alevon le be si amo ne edonu na do eti abato to na eti gbalo ba to le ni montia ne gereji ne debele mo.
Okay. Top Radio 103.1 Junenyo Bobo Show Togbe Dahome Chogbenyiga Herbal Center when Kosamele Echomingwa Coastal Taxi Station Akonako Ebela from Coastal Taxi Station Akonako Bube Taxi be na bottle. Tapa kwenye bottle and then do the bottle kuna yole 0591 826 800 0591 826 800 and you Togbe Dahome for number. Nyuji Togbe amado ha olia ole dowo pem kakea egareke anome le video de kepele domo ado ha ole dodi epegbogbo me le dopomo amedo ha wodo edo store kleto kakea amareke le yina tefuma wa bobo afuma bu nkana ke wa troyi edo le dijana no ewo nto mmanwa
Yo apero we question la to bi na ajeje na nto. Do problem ha le backbone gere do ki mo ko mezomo ka ke bu ame jagba na me do ebe fifia o le ko o le di o be eno ba be le di Togbe na to mi yan o ba bi ona ta ele ni abo ka class ibe be o to ne otite obe aba dranu story obe ado ejebe akunu me so nti be ne story ke me jado ade ale ke ba no ta ka so yi nko ile de la no o na bi o afi ado ne be story wa nko bi o Ungo kule pe sonti o va do store ba amole va zande kwa American baba wana bode ni ya nto de drale fi American babio na ye no na ndo tete wa kwa example edo na voa onko na bire ka onko na garete so ina homo ejebe ona gogo le Togbe Dahome yiri akunu me sonti be ni kebo be so we ya nke na nke atike mechana san asiun baba ni yejio ni kunu le sonti me gbogbo mi alo nto ba fo dede alo ni be le na ye me de be nwa ele jobo ji o bale sanu o do be o ni na nko ba ina home ya ejebe Togbe Dahome me kunu na wa ni ona telephone me ya amora nova asila no dilejio amora nova bo alo company ke ne odo o ba organic tank by dogale tepe so do obe company a ba join ele nko yore tutuba voa e ba do de po evo company de po o vale du fait les compagnie mais e ye amore le Victor de aller autour ne autofia e fletore he ne autofia fletore le te mo dare le jogo juro le company Togbe Dahome no ma ku ne o bere ma ku ne Togbe ni tele ne o be company e ajumba ne yo e fe mo le vao Neme kuni le kwa nebe gbogbo anu unto wana deo anu amede ni tere bejo le kwa ya ma pere chiyo ye o de company ya ela kota ejie bebe ki ya medo ole duta gake vo odo do pele gana banbanji ye o ko o dare do ye amole fuma zare ko ajo ameko le fuma obre domene e do bia e fedede to ban bo na ameko e je benare e mi pepe ke la so da domere la o ya e je bo la ko mu so nti happy hour no ani ko mu so nti ya wo na mo ke na bana broadcast si be mu ke la loko le nko me ya apepe ona pe ona de mu da e ye mi ke o lo wa apepe mu nko ila mo na ni misha
na ewo na do ma okata ta mesame ke edo me le jije na edo do fe na de chemical ni nyunyu o edo kwapo le dibe wa employer alo ahodo me arode ewo kaka do pepe to kata e mo no bi azo ewo kaka pepa ko to gbe ta ko me wona no makata ele bedlobe ile coastal nungwa coastal ene do fuma na di na ko tanzi la fuma tututu be na bottle na you to gbe le 0591 826 800 0591 826 800.
na bok le ka ku de ka no ye kwa no le meeting no ye kwa no le job no le tipi ane ke no le ke ba le se ben to wale no ta ye to go da ho ne bo ne no ben chuare la to ba ne le tu go me chan ke ye to le po o za da ronti we de school we de do me we na we de moji we le pe ne da be me la ke vua ne be yin wa e ba ipo nchu bubu be we nba ni o e be ba da si le nchi o ne e jobo je fofo meji ye be brother reji amere pepe ke la be issue ye ne be mo le jobo ji kware ne pudu kapa ne baba ye to ko da ho be bo ne ne be yin wa la to ba ne e to ye wa ji ane be wo na yin wa to ba ne ne ni wona secret ne secret na relation ya si be wa be relation ne be secret.
Okay. Winter Etsia Togbe Dahome Penkoma Esse Chogbe Nigan Herbal Center Ebena Yori 0591 826 800 0591 826 800 Ole Costo Nungwa Costo Enedo Nungwa Costo Kwa Nato na yue ile no bamaji alona grobe in a bottle ela fumako ekema akpo Togbe Agbenyega Herbal Center to da do vovovo ntu gbogbo pe ohun ti la meto owo don di bakere fiayin nkeke okata. Thanks to you computer clinic yo ha la fuma le Kreno near to whom le asamanke semoji Dr. Be na yo ile 0545 252 880 0545 252 880 allo 020 596 1109. Doctor, thanks to you, computer clinic to infertility, poultry, diabetes, stroke, gonorrhea, asthma, typhoid, stomach ulcer, white, insomnia, sickle cells, severe headache, pletokatan, owana, le afma, eyanye, ameyo pedemia unti, olumamboge, miato, evishina, elegomeje from this week, time you vote, and I'm your contestant to code yenye star 447 star 226 hash star 447 star 226 hash yenye olumambogi code alone ya code na ko vote you process ya kwa a vote nya you wanna jing mahle message so 656 makma no pogandre afeto Francis nyonyobe mama melekwa wom chomedina nye Nyeha medo vusia cho medina yi apla upo menyo crowd. Okay. Afeto bright ahwenchu ebe good evening, the great authentic mama. Watching you live from Kobiman. Thank you. Afeto wisdom kaglo. Ebe good evening, authentic mama. You are welcome. Oh, thanks for your motivational and good work you are doing for Mother Ghana. I am wisdom kaglo. Watching you live from Domi, Accra, Akpena, sister. Sister Mefa Akpen. Sister Chastini, okay, Maglo. We affect Rita Konama, Rita Konama, Yelaponye, okay. So the fika message so you kabaka makalo oh Rolex, Eleponye, Rolex, Leponye cho abutia gove, Gakelege. Akpebe elemo ele ejile ponye message so subo me la gbagba jebe ma akpo eke sunu maton akle okay me de kuku message over le bubudam kwa ma yiji pele haya na mi pe ma pa wana. Okay, Reverend Dr. Samuel Walanyo Mensah, Ebe Authentic Mama. Your presentation today is super. Good evening to all Votarian and LT citizens. You are really great, authentic. Thank you, Doctor. Apeto Emmanuel Megashi, Nyepe producer in underground. But the Benapel Afe Kobli Bola. Christy Raymond, Christy Yevoga, Ebe Edo Benam. Apeto Kwabina Freedom, Billy Hoop, Leto Akbenami, Miato Ye 11. Okay, no Vitoro Lava Vao, a 658 top 103.1 FM, Authentic Mama, the only Authentic Mama on radio. Dunenyo Bobo Show, we are live across the world. Sienna YouTube page, Sienna Facebook page, all in North America. America, thank you so much for tuning in. Nyape president of Vota. I am Council of Urban Association in North America, here in Ghana. F.O. William, Edem. Kuma Medogwena, Apeto Mancha Susu, F.O. Steve there, and all Mikata Empress Mausi Mama. Thank you so much. Okay, very soon I'm at the next program is gearing up to take over. Exactly 7 p.m. Top 103.1 FM. Makaya Fiare call me and Otoji ne to the next program. Then later on 8 p.m. call ya Ekema Osoro da Roboto however you do. Apeto Raymond Aviaga has been my guest for today. Thank you so much, Fonzie, your producer and my your second producer. Nice. Oh, you're the only authentic mama MFA. Egbe fe donami mikata mi senyaode nyaseto menye abaka wonyo alekeja authority so wa we be Toyota voice ya anoilo mananyo lo awodo inter kwa maka long distance kleto wa we mikata mi akpo aleke wa vase kemye de kokube amesa mepe jinafa agbea eya ehia wo ega akpenami na mi mlanya nya mlai fa fe echo mi isolme atakpana Yehovah. Are you on the only authentic mama?